Ball pythons. They are in the pet trade as great beginner snakes. And while these guys have a fantastic temperament, they're very easy to handle and they don't grow to a big size, in my opinion, these are not good beginner snakes for one reason and one reason only. Ball pythons have a tendency to go on hunger strikes, and if you're a first time snake keeper, this can be quite frustrating and worrying, especially if they don't eat for months at a time, which ball pythons can do, and be absolutely fine. This girl here, she went on a 6-month hunger strike, and she's been fine since, but it's just the nature of these snakes. They do tend to do that, especially in captivity. And while it's not bad for them, there is a few things that you obviously need to make sure when they are not feeding, which is they're still not losing any weight and they're showing no signs of any illnesses or stress. And for someone, again, new to snakes, you don't always know what to look for. But if your python is healthy and isn't losing weight when striking, it's not something you've got to worry about. But that is, to me, why ball pythons are not good beginner snakes.